of them.
Yeah. Tail gun.
Yeah.
Look at this feral.
Yuck, I'm not watching.
What a buckaroo.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
That is good.
So you're not going to eat that yourself?
No.
One got me last year, I've only got one leg. But I still get around alright.
The seal is gonna get me! Oh no!
The general consensus amongst my family and friends is that, well, they've pretty much gone mad.
I'm going slightly mad. I'm going slightly mad.
But I'm beginning to think they were completely right. You see, not only am I going to be walking and exploring the deep south of New Zealand, but I'm going to be a penniless swag man at the same time. So, for the next many months, I'll be walking from Kaitangata to Bluff via the Catlins as a cash-strapped swag man. And what that means is I'm going to be bargaining with locals to do jobs in exchange for food and shelter. And all of it will be captured for television. But of course, who I have to thank the most is the film crew. Because, no, wait, actually I am the film crew in this particular instance. I'd like to invite you on my journey, so please subscribe to this channel or follow me in the links below.